Manual SEO is dead. In today's video, I'm going to reveal an AI tool which will create high domain authority backlinks for your website or agency completely automated. You don't have to manually go to the website, fill in the forms, and submit the guest post, add comments, and try to get backlinks for improving your SEO. This automated SEO tool going to create backlinks for your website or agency completely automated, which I'm going to show you guys with proof, which I have done with my website. So as you can see on my screen, this is the Medium article. And if I click on that and scroll down, you can see that my website is basically mentioned on this Medium article, and this is linked with my website. So if I click on that, it's going to pull up my website. And as you already know that Medium is very good in SEO. If you want to improve your website in SEO ranking, Medium is a really good source. You can see the authority score in SEMrush dashboard. So there are multiple links which it created, and it was all automated. And the tool which I'm talking about is Backlinker AI. As you can see that it's AI powered backlink generation. It is going to give 65% more SEO traffic. Obviously, when you have more domain authority, you'll be getting more traffic organically. Guys, make sure to watch the complete video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a coupon code through which you will get 50% off of the current pricing. So make sure to watch the complete video. Now let me show you the back end of this tool. So I'm going to log in using my Google account. And here is the dashboard where you can see that all of my details are showing up on the website, which I added to generate the backlink. So if you click on configuration, once you sign up, you'll be able to add all of the details like your name, your LinkedIn profile, your profile picture, the company name, your job title, and all of the biography here. Now, the good thing about that, you'll be able to see the published links. So if I click on links and click on published, you can see that we have some high quality links already published, and the top one is Medium, and the domain authority I already showed you guys that it's really good. It's going to help with SEO a lot. This is another link, msn.com, with again 92 domain authority, and if I open up that link, I'll be able to find my website on that link. Okay guys, so our article is loaded. Now if I search for WebSense Pro, actually we'll have to click on continue reading because the article is not completely loaded. So here you go. You can see that we have our link showing up for the website. As an SEO agency, it's really favorable for me to have high authority of my domain name. So my customer will also be able to trust that I can help with their SEO, right? And let's check out some other links which this Backlinker AI created. I showed you guys the MSN, and you already know the domain authority. I don't need to check that in the SEMrush. Now, if I check out this link here, which is azbigmedia.com, let's scroll down, and here you go. You can see that we have another link on this website as well. Now, if I copy this domain name and try to search the domain authority in SEMrush, if you guys don't know, SEMrush is industry leader on checking SEO ranking and helping you with SEO business. If you are running an SEO agency, it's really helpful. Or if you are doing SEO of yourself, SEMrush is a one go-to tool for monitoring your backlinks, monitoring your on-page performance, and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, this is not about the SEMrush. I just wanted to tell you guys that SEMrush is highly ranked and highly trustworthy tool which you can use for SEO. So if I search the AZ Big Media, you can see that authority score is very good, which was created by Backlinker AI. Now let's search for some other links as well. If I go to this ranktracker.com and search for my website, you can see that it has my website link where I can simply click and it will take us to the website. Again, we will check the domain authority in SEMrush for ranktracker.com. And you can see that authority score says very good, meaning it is automatically generating high quality backlinks for your website. And you will also get email notification like this. here we have this 161 pitches sent, 157 pitches in review, 4 pitches selected, and 7 pitches published. You can get all of the analytics in the tool. So if I go to Backlinker AI and click on submit it meaning this tool automatically submitted your website to other websites, right? And it did 210 submission, and out of that we got how many links? Let's check out the published links again. We got about 8 links published. So you don't have to manually submit the request. It's going to handle everything on its own. As you can see, it automatically submitted 210 requests, and based on the 210 requests, it got 8 published links with very high domain authority. You can also have this analytics here, where it's going to show you guys all of the details about month to month performance, that how many pitches it sent. Pitches meaning that how many emails or how many requests it automatically sent to other high domain authority websites for publishing your article. And here we have our success rate, which is 3.8%. Now let's check out the pricing. So if we go to the billing, the tool is $300 a month, where you are getting 3 backlinks guaranteed. Meaning, if you don't get 3 backlinks, you are going to get money back, and it is going to send 150 plus pitches per month, meaning it is automatically going to keep creating backlinks for your company. And if you try to buy these links from the market, it's going to cost you a lot. So buying a backlink for 90 plus domain authority, it's going to charge you really high. This is the one example. So if you go to rankifier.com, one DA70 plus backlink gonna cost you $80. So if you buy like even 5 links, it's gonna cost you $400. And in case of backlinker.ai, it's gonna give you way more backlinks, which is high in quality and less in cost. And it is super simple to set up. All you have to do is just go to Backlinker AI, sign up, click on configuration, and then add in all of the details, just like I've shown you guys, and you will be able to generate some really high quality backlinks for your website. So you can also use this for your client. Link of the tool will be in the description. Make sure to check it out. Before ending the video, let me show you guys how easily you can sign up using Backlinker AI. So that is the non-login mode, and that's how you will see the website. All you have to do is just click on get started and continue using your Gmail email account. It's that simple. Just log into your Gmail email account and click on or continue with Google to sign in to Backlinker AI. One other thing I would like to show you guys, if you are an agency, you can also sell backlinks by creating multiple personas. So let me show you that. So I'm gonna just log in using my Google account. Once logged in, I'm gonna head over to configuration. And here you can see that this is for one person, meaning if you are an individual, you are creating backlinks for your own website, then this is for you. But if you are an agency and you want to create backlinks on your client's behalf, then you can simply click on agency, where you have this multiple personas, and you can click on this add persona and add in the first name, LinkedIn, profile picture, all of the company details. And again, if you have another persona to add, you're gonna simply click on add persona, and that's how you can have multiple personas to submit backlinks on your client's behalf in a super simple way. You don't have to manually go in and create outreach emails for your clients. You can do all that within the Backlinker dashboard. And as I promised, I'm gonna tell you guys the coupon code which you can use for 50% off. And the retail pricing of this tool is $300, but if you use WebSense Pro, which is the promo code, you will get 50% off, meaning you will get this tool in just $150 a month. So make sure to sign up, link in the description. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.